Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pair your OnePlus Buds Pro 2 with MacBook. And to do this we'll need to open a case with our earbuds, and now we can remove them. They might enter pairing mode automatically, but if not, you might need to place them back. Then open Bluetooth settings on your MacBook, make sure that it's on. And here in the case you need to hold this button and look at the LED lamp until it flashes in a white light. That means we are in a pairing mode and we should see them in nearby devices in a moment. And select connect. And now we just successfully paired OnePlus Buds Pro 2 with our MacBook. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.